Welcome to Phantom Wallet versus SafePal Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Phantom Wallet and SafePal Wallet, focusing on features, security, and who each wallet is best suited for, helping you decide which one aligns with your needs. Phantom Wallet is a Solana-specific, non-custodial wallet designed for simplicity and efficiency within the Solana blockchain ecosystem. It allows users to manage SOL tokens, Solana-based NFTs, and interact with dApps directly from a browser extension or mobile app. Phantom also offers built-in staking for SOL, token swaps, and seamless integration with Solana DeFi protocols. It's highly user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners or those focused exclusively on Solana. On the other hand, SafePal Wallet is a versatile wallet that supports a wide range of blockchains, including Solana. SafePal offers both a mobile app and a hardware wallet option, combining convenience with robust security. The hardware wallet ensures private keys never touch the internet, adding an extra layer of protection. SafePal is compatible with over 20 blockchains and thousands of tokens, making it ideal for users managing multi-chain portfolios. Its app includes a DDApp browser, token swaps, staking support, and DeFi integration. But its interface can feel slightly more complex for new users compared to Phantom's streamlined approach. In summary, if your primary focus is Solana and you prefer a lightweight, intuitive wallet tailored to that ecosystem, Phantom Wallet is an excellent choice. However, if you prioritize multi-chain compatibility and enhanced security with hardware wallet integration, SafePal Wallet stands out as the better option. Each wallet serves different purposes, so your decision should align with your crypto activities and security preferences. Check the links in the description for more details about each wallet, and let us know in the comments which one you prefer.